Hello friends, I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss the project automatic headlight control system. So in this project, whenever there will be vehicle in front of the car or truck, then light will go automatically down. But whenever there is no vehicle, then light will be up all the time, so that you will get the good view of the road. Now if I talk about these are the two light which we are going to use as a demo in our project, and there is a LDR sensor inside this tube. So this LDR sensor is controlled by this circuit. So you can see that the signal from this LDR sensor will be sensed by this circuit. The main IC is LM358 in this like LDR circuit. LM358 is a comparator IC. Now this is the potentiometer through which you can set the sensitivity of the LDR sensor inside this tube. Okay, now let me discuss some other component. The battery we are using over here is two battery, 2.5 ampere plus 2.5 ampere. So combined capacity of these battery is 5 ampere. So these battery are rechargeable. You can charge these battery manually, like these are the 2 points. This is minus point, this is plus point. So whenever the battery will get discharged, you can charge these battery through these two plus minus points. So let me just indicate as well. This is plus and this is minus. Now if I talk about these two lights is controlled through this relay. So this is the relay unit. So there is a tuck tuck sound of this relay as well whenever the LDR sensor will sense the vehicle in front of them. So this is the indicator, this is red color indicator which will show you whether relay is working or not. So we are using two transistors to drive this relay. These two transistors acting as a Darlington pair, which will amplify the current coming from this unit. Okay, now the next section is the power supply section. Because LDR sensor is working on 5 volt, so that's why you need a 5 volt power supply. So this is the 5 volt power supply over here. Okay, this LED indicator will just denote you the power supply is converted from 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC. So 7805 voltage regulator we are using over here in this 5 volt power supply. Now if I talk about this unit, so this is basically on off unit. The power supply we are getting from batteries, and then this is this power supply is controlled through this toggle switch. So if you want to on it, then you can on this toggle switch. Right now it's in off condition, but you can on it as well on your requirement. Okay, now if I talk about the flow chart of this project, the signal will be sensed by this LDR sensor. Then this signal is given to this unit which is LM358 comparator IC unit, which will again send the signal to the relay unit. So relay unit will then control these two lights. Now if I talk about the power supply of this LM358 unit, this is 5 volt power supply for this one. Now this is on off toggle arrangement for the complete system. Like whenever you want to cut the power supply, then you can cut through this yellow toggle unit. Okay, now let me just give you the demo how it's working. So to give the demo, I'm going to use this light. So this light is like a vehicle coming in front of the these you can consider it as a car or truck, whatever. Now let me just on the power supply. Now you can see that lights are up right now. Okay, whenever the vehicle will come in front, so the light will come. So we are using this light, this flashlight, as a light of the coming vehicle, like this. Now you can see light is down. Can you see light is down? Now light will go automatically up. So whenever the vehicle will come directly in front of this vehicle, then automatically light will go down. Now you can see that. Okay, now let me just show you this relay as well. This tuck tuck sound is coming from this relay. So this is on right now, but whenever the vehicle will come, it will go down. The indicator of the relay is also off right now. And if you will see this sensor LED, so this sensor LED is on because vehicle is in front of the this our main vehicle. Okay, now if I'll remove my mobile phone, then you will see this light is off and the relay light is on. So this is how it's working. So the vehicle's light is going automatically down and up, depend upon whether there is a vehicle in front of this car or truck is not, like this. Visible? Is it visible properly? So this is how our project is working. Thank you.